Hello my beautiful sun rays and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making these healthy-ish pecan bars. Y'all, these bars are gluten-free, refined sugar-free, dairy-free, and might I add, very delicious. You guys, as soon as we come off this cleanse, these will still be in rotation for sweets in the house because we love them that much, even though it's missing all of the fatty goodness. Y'all, for my crust, for this cookie-like crust, I only use about 1.5 cups of my Bob's Red Mill oat flour. Yes, you can get flour from oats. I have about 3 tablespoons of melted and cooled coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, pure maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You guys, once my coconut oil has, oh Lord, I had a brain fart for just a second. Once that coconut oil is cooled down just a tad, I go ahead and mix this all in together into my flour mixture with all my dry ingredients along with the wet ingredients. Everything comes together and creates a little bit of a crumble. Y'all, I cannot wait to put this mixture together again so that I can make like some type of pie. I was like, that crust was so good. I saw an idea to do like some vegan cheesecake bars. I will be doing this crust for that as well. That's how wonderful this was.
A few moments later.
So next you'll want to add your little 8x8 pan, square pan, so that you can make them square bars. Do not grab something round. Get your square pan, pour all of your crumbles inside, and just press it all down until it's a little even, or even to the surface. And I like to get a little fork and poke some holes in it, just like I would do my pie crust. And to my already preheated oven on 350, I will place this in for about 7 minutes. Now we wait. Once that comes out, it's gonna cool, and while it's cooling, I'm gonna go ahead and make my pecan topping. All the fabulous ingredients that go into my pecan topping is about 1/2 cup of my coconut sugar, delightful. A third cup of pure maple syrup. You guys, pure maple syrup. Do not get your pancake syrup. About 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I do use about 1.5 cups of pecans that I've chopped, as well as coconut. But you guys, the coconut is completely optional. Please omit if you got coconut issues. Just take it out. It's okay. Just do the nuts. Just add the pecans. No one will be mad. It'll still be delicious. Now during this process, I do have the heat at about medium to low. Once my little caramel mixture starts to come together and simmer, I know that it's finally almost done. And during this entire process, I am stirring because you don't want it to burn, just like any caramel mixture. Once it burns, it's just nasty. And now that my cookie crust has cooled off, I've added my nuts and coconuts to my caramel mixture and put it right on the top. Spread that thing out so that it's evenly distributed, and it will be ready to go into the oven. I was thinking, these things are filled with pecans. Pecans are full of healthy fats and proteins, so could this be considered a protein bar? I think so. Anyway, I placed it in the oven at 350 for about 17 to 20 minutes. Now it's ready. I need to let it cool completely. And once it's cooled, I have sped this up, so you missed the cooling process. But now that it's completely cooled off, I'm going to cut into little squares and dish and plate. And there you have it, Sunrays. Some guilt-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, refined sugar-free pecan bars that will make your taste buds and your body very happy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video for some more healthy-ish eats, or maybe unhealthy. I don't know. Bye.